In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure your username and email address in Git so that your commits are properly attributed in GitHub. Understanding how to set your Git configuration correctly is an essential step if you want your contributions to be properly linked to your GitHub account. This not only helps in tracking your work, but also maintains consistency across multiple repositories, especially if you're collaborating with others. To get started, you'll first need to open a terminal window. If you're on a Windows machine, you can use Git Bash, which comes packed with the Git installation. Once you have your terminal ready, we're going to set your global username. Global settings mean that this username and email will be used for all repositories you manage on this computer. To do this, type in the command git config with the global flag, followed by user.name, and then in quotes, your name. This name will be visible on each commit you make. Next, you'll need to set your global email address, which is just as crucial as your username. Again, using the git config command with the global flag, enter user.email and then provide your email address, enclosed in quotes. Make sure this is the email linked to your GitHub account, since this ensures that your commits are correctly linked to your profile. Once you've set your global username and email address, it's always a good practice to verify these settings, just to be sure everything is as you planned. You can simply type git config global user.name to see what username is set, and git config global user.email to confirm your email address. If you want a comprehensive view of all your settings, you can run git config list. This command will display all your Git configurations, allowing you to review everything you've set up so far. This is particularly useful if you ever need to troubleshoot issues or just need a quick reminder of your current settings. Now, let's discuss a scenario where you might want a different username or email address for a specific repository, rather than using your global settings. This might occur if you're working in a different capacity or on behalf of another organization. To set a repository-specific username or email, first, navigate into the repository's directory using your terminal. Once you're inside the repository folder, the procedure is much like setting your global configs, but without the global flag. So go ahead and run git config user.name followed by another name that you wish to use for this specific repo. The same steps apply for setting a new user email with git config user.email and the new email address. These steps ensure that Git associates your commits with the correct identity, providing clarity and consistency across your projects. Following this guide will help maintain your professional footprint in the coding world. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!